If you are using just Boost button and not Facebook Ads Manager, you are probably just wasting money. Today we will discuss 5 things you can do in Ads Manager to make sure you're getting the most from Facebook ads. I'm Lucas, and today we will speak about Facebook Ads Manager. Are you still using Boost Post button and thinking if this is all Facebook can do for you? Then this video might save your business. The truth is, Facebook has way more to offer to its advertisers than this blue button. It's called Facebook Ads Manager. You will find it either in your business manager or at facebook.com/ads/manager. Here are 5 things you can do there. Number 1 is planning. It's a very critical step that can impact the success of your Facebook ad campaigns. Under the Plan menu option, you will get the Audience Insight, tool for analyzing various audiences, or access to the Creative Hub, which serves as a to-go place for inspiration, information on the recommended sizes for your creatives, to create and manage your mockups, and to check if your images comply with the 20% rule. Number 2 is the main purpose of Ads Manager: create and manage your ads. Currently, you can create more than 10 different campaign objectives. 10 different campaign objectives, from traffic, conversions to dynamic ads or lead ads. For all those objectives, you will find all range of targeting and creative options. Number 3 is measuring and reporting. In Ads Manager, you can find results for all your past campaigns. Depending on the type of campaign you are running, you are able to adjust the metrics shown to include the ones that will allow you to determine how successful are your campaigns. By utilizing the breakdowns, you can dig into your target audience, placements, or days that help generate conversions, and proceed to narrow down your targeting even more. Number 4, assets. Via Ads Manager, you have access to your audiences, where you can create remarketing lists or lookalike audiences. You have access also to image library, catalogs, or business locations. And number 5, settings. In Ads Manager settings, you will be able to edit your payment method, billing information, or find all invoices for your accountant. Read this NewsFeed article to learn more about how to use Ads Manager, and you will find it can do way more. Leave us a comment if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching, and see you all very soon.